video, we're going to show you how to properly balance a complete turbo shaft assembly which houses the turbine and the compressor wheels of the turbo. As you can see, it's already set here in the machine with all the proper hardware in place, with the exception of the bearings, as they do not get balanced as they are stationary in the housing. After this is placed in the machine, we have to enter the proper information for the different wheels, their sizes, which in this case is 68 millimeter and 72 millimeter respectively. At this point, we're going to start the machine and it's going to run its test. It's going to spin it up to about 4,000 RPM, and then it's going to produce results which will guide us through modifying each wheel accordingly to achieve proper balance. So we're going to start the machine now. As you can see, the red dot of the laser, there's a little piece of reflective tape on this wheel, and that sensor senses that, which guides the RPM and tells us the exact position of the blades of the wheels. Now you can see right here, it's telling us that the turbine shaft is in spec, which is a good thing. So there you have it. You can see right here on the left, the compressor wheel is 126 grams out of balance. This one is showing good. This also shows the relative location where it is exactly out of balance, and we're going to show you how we can figure that out right now. You see we're manually moving the wheels. Now we have it centered in order to modify it accordingly. We have marked the place on the wheel where it needs to be ground out just a little bit to achieve proper balance. So we've marked it, and we're just going to take an angle grinder and just grind out just a little bit of weight just to make it within spec, which we're going to do right now. After we've ground the wheels accordingly, or at least to the best of our ability to get within spec, we're going to put it back in the balance machine and rerun the test to ensure that it is properly balanced. So we're going to do that now. As you can see, the piece of reflective tape running it up to speed. You can see right here the tolerance spec on this is 0.039 grams. And it looks like we have exceeded factory specs by 0.001 grams.